Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified as we upload one new recipe every day. Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to show you a very special Andhra dish. It's Purnalu. Let's get started and try this recipe. So for the batter, I'm going to soak half cup of raw rice and quarter cup of urud dal. Wash the rice a couple of times and then let it soak for about 4 hours. And for the filling, I'm going to take 1 cup of chana dal, wash it and then soak it with enough water. Chana dal has to soak for about 4 hours before cooking. First, we're going to pressure cook the chana dal. You can see it's soaked beautifully. So, not adding too much of water. Pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. So, you can see I've not added too much of water because the dal has already been soaking for about 4 hours. So, if you haven't soaked the dal and you want to pressure cook it, then you will have to add more water to the dal while pressure cooking. We're going to melt the jaggery. Just going to dissolve it by adding a little water. I'm adding half cup of water. I've taken 1 large cup of jaggery. You can powder it and then dissolve it. The jaggery is completely dissolved. Turn off the stove and keep this aside. Take a white saucepan, add a teaspoon of ghee. I'm adding 3/4 cup of grated fresh coconut. After about 2 to 3 minutes of toasting the coconut, I'm going to add the cooked dal. Add the dissolved jaggery syrup. I'm going to strain this. Add the cardamom powder. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee and cook till the mixture becomes nice and thick and all the excess moisture is evaporated. So you can see all the excess moisture is evaporated. The mixture has become nice and dry. Turn off the stove. As the mixture cools, it will thicken. So I'm going to grind the urud dal and the rice together to a nice smooth batter. Pour a little water and grind. So now we have a nice smooth batter. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Just mix it in. So now the batter is ready to make the Purnalu. Take a little and roll it into equal sized or even sized balls and keep it aside. Make sure it's not too big. So now I'm going to dip the Purnam mixture into the batter. Make sure it's coated completely on all sides. The oil has to be nice and hot and gently drop it into the oil. We're going to deep fry this. So now you can try these delicious Purnalu and celebrate this lovely Sankranti with your family. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.